Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Shortly AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to sign up for a Shortly AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address shortlyai.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Shortly AI. And over here guys, in order to proceed with the registration, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign up button available over here. Simply click on the sign up button first, and then this panel for your account registration will open. You can go for a manual registration or a automated registration with these guys. If you click on these buttons which says Facebook or Apple, a login page to your Facebook or your Apple account will open, and if you sign into your respective accounts, you will have signed up for a Shortly AI account to your Facebook or your Apple account. And that being said, guys, you just have to log in. You can try it out, but there, let's go with the manual sign up. To do that, let's enter our first name, and after that, enter your last name, and after that, enter your email address with which you want to use your Shortly account later on, and after that, enter your password, guys. As it says, make at least use 8 characters, while entering some capital letters, small letters, and numbers with some extra special characters just to make it strong. And with that being said, guys, after entering your all of these credentials, simply click on sign up, and you will have registered an account on the Shortly AI, and you will have registered an account on the Shortly AI, and you will have to verify that you're a human by going to your email over here, and the verification link will be sent to you by the Shortly AI's website. Click on that link and your account will be verified, and you will be able to use your account with ease. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Shortly AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.